These days, action cameras aren't just about surviving a fall, they're about capturing the impossible. Whether you want to film a cinematic 8K documentary or a 360-degree stunt where the camera literally disappears, the tech has never been more advanced. We're ranking the top 7 best action smart cameras available right now, from budget-friendly legends to the ultimate 360-degree powerhouses. As always, the links to all 7 of these action cameras, including the best current discounts, are listed for you down in the description below. Starting us off at number 7 is the GoPro MAX, currently priced at $288.18. This is still one of the most versatile tools in any gear bag. The MAX is actually 3 cameras in one: a traditional hero-style camera, a 360-degree powerhouse, and a vlogging rig with 6 built-in microphones. It captures spherical 5.6K video, allowing you to choose your angle after you film. If you want to dip your toes into the world of 360-degree storytelling without spending $500, this is your perfect starting point. At number 6 is a camera that many professionals still swear by: the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Priced at $289.99, it offers nearly identical resolution to the newest models for a fraction of the cost. The Hero 11 introduced the revolutionary 8:7 aspect ratio sensor, which lets you crop your footage for TikTok or YouTube without losing any quality. You get stunning 5.3K video and Emmy Award-winning hyper-smooth stabilization. For the student or hobbyist who needs professional-grade image quality on a budget, the Hero 11 is the undisputed king. Jumping to number 5 is the DJI Osmo 360 camera, currently on sale for $357.29. While others focus on resolution, DJI focused on the sensor. The Osmo 360 features groundbreaking 1-inch sensors, which are significantly larger than its competitors. This means it can capture much cleaner footage in low light or at sunset, where other 360 cameras start to look grainy. With native 8K recording and built-in storage, this is the precision tool for the creator who prioritizes raw image quality over everything else. Sliding into the number 4 spot is the GoPro Hero 13 Black, priced at $319. This camera isn't just about a spec bump, it's about a new way to film. The Hero 13 introduces the HB series lens compatibility, which automatically detects when you snap on a macro or anamorphic lens mod. It also features a mind-blowing burst slow-mo mode that records at 400 frames per second. If you're a filmmaker who wants a camera that adapts to your vision with cinematic lenses and pinpoint stabilization, the Hero 13 is the industry standard for a reason. Earning the number 3 spot is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo. Priced at $389, this camera solves the biggest headache in action photography, which is battery life. The Action 5 Pro offers a staggering 4 hours of battery life per charge, and the Adventure Combo gives you 3 batteries for over 12 hours of total filming. It features dual OLED touchscreens and specialized pressure gauges for divers. With AI-powered subject tracking that keeps you centered in every shot, this is the ultimate worry-free companion for long expeditions and serious travel vloggers. Taking the number 2 spot is the Insta360 X4, priced at $424.99. This is the camera that made 8K 360-degree video accessible to everyone. The X4 captures everything in stunning 8K detail, but its real secret weapon is the Insta360 app. It uses advanced AI to help you reframe your shots with one tap, making the selfie stick completely invisible and creating drone-like angles that were previously impossible. It is the most fun, creative, and user-friendly 360 camera on the market today. Finally, we have reached number 1, the GoPro MAX2. Priced at $399, this is the 360-degree camera perfected. The MAX2 takes the crown by offering true 8K 360 video with 29 megapixel photos and, for the first time, replaceable glass lenses. Unlike its competitors, you can swap the lenses yourself if they get scratched in the field. With professional GP log color for editors and an industry-leading 6 microphone array, It delivers the most cinematic 360-degree experience ever. The GoPro MAX2 is, without question, the ultimate creative tool for its generation. That wraps up our definitive ranking of the top 7 action smart cameras. Whether you're chasing the massive battery life of the DJI Action 5 Pro or the professional 8K sphere of the GoPro MAX2, your next great adventure is ready to be captured. If you found the perfect camera to document your journey, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear rankings. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.